everybody, it's Sarah with Creative Ramblings, and today I am bringing you this adorable snowman ornament made with some wood slices and some really simple craft supplies. So I am going to show you exactly how to make this to decorate your tree this Christmas. Today's video is part of the Creative Christmas Challenge hosted by Remodelaholic. And since it's a Remodelaholic challenge, you know you can find a playlist full of amazing Christmas ideas linked down below. So after you watch this video, be sure to check that out for lots more Christmas inspiration. Now, let me show you how to make this ornament. Really simple. Here's what you need. You want to grab a couple of wood slices. You can pick these up at a craft store, or if you have access to branches in your yard, you could cut your own, but I don't. So I went and picked up a pack of wood slices. One is a little smaller than the other. Then you're gonna need a craft stick or a popsicle stick, a hot glue gun, some white paint and a paintbrush, some white glitter, and a couple pieces of ribbon. The red ribbon is for the little scarf, and the brown ribbon is to hang your little snowman on the tree. So the first step is to paint these wood slices. Now these are birch slices and they absorb paint really quickly, so it does take a couple of coats to really get it covered. Now while the paint is still wet on these wood slices, we're gonna add some glitter. So using something protective underneath, I am going to grab some white glitter and just add it to the wood slice. Nice and shiny. There, so there's my glittered wood slices. So we're gonna put that aside. Now this popsicle stick is going to be the back of the ornament. So I'm gonna take some hot glue and run it along the popsicle stick. And then I'm just gonna take the wood slice and stick it on there. This is so simple, you guys, but it makes for really cute ornaments. All right, so everything is secured there. Then we're gonna take the brown ribbon and just using a little hot glue, we're gonna add this ribbon to the back of the ornament. Now it's time to add our scarf. And for this, we're again just gonna use a little hot glue and wrap the ribbon around to make a scarf for our snowman. So I'm gonna start by putting hot glue on the very back, pushing the middle of the ribbon on that glue. And then on the front here, we're just gonna wrap it around so he's nice and cozy. And I'm gonna secure it on the front with a little more glue. There we go. How cute is that ornament? These are so easy to make too. These ornaments are made with wood slices, a little paint, a little glitter. Add some ribbon and you've got some adorable snowman ornaments. This is a great project to get the kids involved in. You could decorate your whole tree in snowmen. If you like this video and you are inspired to start creating for Christmas, be sure to check out the Creative Christmas Challenge playlist. This challenge is hosted by Remodelaholic. You can find their channel down below along with the full playlist full of creative Christmas ideas. If you liked this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Tell me what you think of these little snowmen. And while you're there, be sure to subscribe. There is lots more inspiring Christmas videos here on Creative Ramblings and more to come. So subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you next time.